Welcome in, guys. This is the Wizard Breaks. We are going to start with some Pokemon packs I had right around me that I had for a while. Night Wonders, of course. And then some of these. You guys know what these are, right? Alright. Sorry, guys. They're Japanese. I'm not from Japan, so I can't really say which ones and stuff like that. Sorry if the camera is a little off, guys. Just trying to get this going. I'm not showing my face because my cameras are messed. One of my cameras don't want to connect to any OBS. But if you guys know what the issue, let me know because I'll be getting either USB, or either USB. That's basically what I get. USB, or keep messing with it, disconnecting it, connecting it, disconnecting it, connecting it, because you got cables that are for charging and for charge and storage, and one's just for storage. And I guess I need one for storage. A USB can for storage and charge at the same time. Let's get to this pack rip, guys. This is gonna be a great pack rip. They're opening up some Pokemon and One Piece. And then you guys can just follow me on whatnot for baseball and football. I'll rip baseball here and there. You know what? I had to get back to my groove with some Pokemon for you guys. Yeah, a lot of people are into the Pokemon, and I'll maybe get back into it. That's what we grab. See if we can get any hits. Is that the booster bundle we got? There was no hits in that one, guys. Let's let's see if the wizard can get a hit. Magic can happen with me tonight. It's just crazy. Crazy. I hate putting guards on my desk. I gotta take it off. All these shinies, guys. All these shinies. I will be located in Gurney at Lakehurst this Sunday. If you guys want to come take a look at my booth, I'll be having baseball, Pokemon, some video games I get rid of. I'm in the hobby collecting. Oh, oh, oh. We got can't read, so this is beautiful, guys. Look at this beautiful card. Look at those cards. Those are all base Pokemon cards. Oh, it's beautiful. Take it. What you say, Ducky? It's beautiful. Quack quack. Okay. Beautiful card. Beautiful card. Next one's up. Yeah, anybody can give me the resolution. There's resolve say it. If anybody can resolve the problem or the camera issue for OBS, put down in the comments. I'll likely would take the advice and see if I can put it to work and see if it works. We can have two cameras rolling in here. That is a tricky one to look. Look. Some of these packs are kind of look at the opening time. Look at that. See? I set my Pokemon card right there at the end, the last one, but it's not good. It's not good. I got a knife right next to me. These bad boys open. I guess I choose not to use it. I don't know why. You think that's a bad idea? No. We're in the hang of getting another banger. I was gonna get we're gonna get a banger from Night Wonders because it's the last pack, right? We're gonna get a banger. We're gonna get a banger watch. What do you guys think? Another banger coming through or what? Oh man. See? Don't let stuff sit in for a long time. Want to see some magic? We get some magic in a minute. I'm thinking you guys magic open these Pokemon cards. I see some magic. I saw you some magic. Look at that. Look at hits. A spray can. Water bottle. Crazy. Another weird hit. Weird hit. I used to open these like from right here. Like that. That's how I used to open them. Now, you think it should be more Pokemon packs? Like and subscribe. I'll be doing Inferno next. Mega Inferno, the Korean edition. You guys want some of that? You know, like and subscribe. Oh, a Seadra, a Seadra, a Seadra. We just pulled a Seadra, guys. Full art Seadra. Well, not a full art. It's a what they call them? SARs, SARs. Oh, these don't have what's it? SARs. These are Japanese. Japanese and Korean are almost the same. I want to say just a texture. But Koreans don't have the Japanese in the back like that. What doesn't Japanese and Korean have is the SARs, SIRs. So that I just pulled two full arts. Two full arts, which is wild and crazy. You guys are helping me do it. Just like, subscribe so we can do it some more. We can do it some more. This is wild, guys. When I say wild, it's wild. 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 Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, there. This is what you do when it's not good. You bend it. You bend it. And then afterwards, you bend it. You mail it to somebody and say, here you go. Here you go. That wasn't a hit. That was an EX going nowhere. Make that EX turn into a full art card. Hard. 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 Doing that. Hard. Yeah, all these are booty cards. can't get these open anymore. Wild. 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 We are missing. Missing. I feel something in this one. I feel it. Feel it. Oh, it's nothing. There's an extra card. Oh, guys, come on. Come on. Like and subscribe to this video, guys. Oh, another EX. Oh, come on. You wanna join your buddy in the crumbly? I get you in the full D. And here you go, D. Join them. Hey, what's nothing? I see people on eBay doing that stupid stuff. Selling their remote Pokemon cards to people online. I feel bad for the people that only an ignorant person will buy them. Ignorant person. Make sure it's not you. Don't buy it, guys. Let them suffer in their pain and agony for selling that stuff. I'm like, that's crazy. That's crazy. Dude, let me do that. See if I get any sales. Alright, guys, nothing in this pack. I'm gonna give you guys a heads up right now, and I'm gonna open it for you right now. These were our hits. These were our hits. They'll be in the show this coming Sunday, August 16th, at Lakers and Gurney. I will be opening a One Piece pack for you guys right now. You guys can like and subscribe and comment if you want me to open some One Piece packs. Booster box. Let me get a pack for you guys. This is going to be the pack I'll be opening right now. Right now, on Friday, August 14th, I'll be opening a mixed lot of One Piece cards. This is OP10. One of my favorite sets. One of my favorite sets, guys. This is one of my favorite sets. Opening it for you guys. You guys can take a look at them. They're nice. Beautiful artwork. Beautiful artwork. You can hit, but the hits are costly. Join in on this stream. Like and subscribe and get into it, guys. And we just hit a Monkey D. Luffy. We just hit a Monkey D. Luffy, guys. Monkey D. Luffy. We just hit. I don't know if it's a case hit, but we just hit. We just hit a banger. A banger. We got Dracula Mihawk. We got a Monkey D. Luffy. What is the comps to this? Is it a buck? If it is, it's crazy wild. That's not even a hit if it's a buck. Crazy wild, guys. We're gonna find out right now. People are asking for $30 for this card, which is crazy. Which is crazy wild. Let's see what it's sold for. Just believe that. Crazy wild. 12, 12, 15, 19. Oh, that's a different one. We just got a banger, guys. We got a banger. It's selling for $15 to $30. $30. This one sells more. Luffy Gear 4 leader card. Well, that is it for the stream, guys. We just put a banger for showing you some One Piece cards. Check that out and check these out. Don't worry about the trainer. But these are hits. I am glad. I am happy. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it rolling. What else do you guys want to see? Say yes to One Piece. Like and subscribe so we can get some One Piece in here. And let's keep it moving, guys. Let's keep it moving. Alright, guys. See you then. Stay tuned and like and subscribe to the Wizard Breaks.